What I lost in the Philippines. I have to tell you a short story before you can fully understand what I lost in the Philippines. I left the United States in 2007. I've been to 67 countries. I've never once thought about moving back. I'll continue to slow travel the world so long as my mind and my legs will carry me. I try to make it back to the USA every year or two to visit family and friends. My name is Dan. The beautiful woman in the photos with me is Chung. I met Chung while traveling through Malaysia in 2016. Chung joined my travels in 2017. We are home free. That means we have no empty bed anywhere in the world waiting for us. So we do not buy round-trip tickets. We just keep moving forward. Today we're in the Philippines, traveling by boat between remote islands in the northern part of Palawan in the Philippines. This is the final 2 days of a 5-day expedition. This has turned out to be the favorite expedition of my life. For a guy that has traveled for 15 plus years, that really means something. There are 3 factors that make this experience stand head and shoulders above the rest. I have never been on a trip where all 3 factors were done so well in concert with one another. I'll describe each factor briefly first before discussing how they were integrated to create a knockout experience. Then I'll describe what I lost in the process. 3 factors making 𝗏 the best experience of my life. One factor is the remote nature of these islands. The white sand beaches, turquoise water, and the colorful coral reefs and fish. Also the rugged limestone cliffs cut jagged edges through the blue sky. The second factor is the gourmet food that comes out of these castaway kitchens. The 𝗏 teaches the Lost Boys how to craft locally sourced foods from the 𝗏 farm and the surrounding sea. The second factor is a surprising achievement. With a limited set of kitchen tools and just-in-time harvests from 𝗏 farms and seas, the 𝗏 Lost Boys are able to consistently create an assortment of dishes, both meat and veggie friendly, that will blow your mind. Yet they perform this magic in castaway kitchens that would leave a Michelin chef sitting on the floor crying. The third and most important factor was the 𝗏 Lost Boys. I will now share several personal and team qualities I observed about the 𝗏 Lost Boys on this trip. In life, attitude is everything. What happens to you in life is not as important as your attitude about life. If something bad happens and you keep a good attitude, trying to make the best of a tough situation, then the people around you will be more willing to work with you in making things better. The 𝗏 Lost Boys have an attitude that anything is possible, and they make the best of every challenge they face during the day. No, they're not perfect, but none of us are. But they keep a great attitude, so the guests and other Lost Boys pitch in when unexpected things happen, and this supports teamwork and a great team attitude. The 𝗏 Lost Boys attack tasks with teamwork. They swarm around something that needs to get done, so each person feels supported by the team that has their backs. This even inspires the guests, many of whom jump in and help the team get things done, whether it's in the kitchen, the boat, or something in the 𝗏 village. The 𝗏 Lost Boys take ownership in making sure the entire expedition goes as planned. When they see something that needs to get done, they jump in and take care of it instead of trying to find out whoever's in charge of that part of the expedition. Individuals take ownership of these results, so fewer balls get dropped during the expedition. The teamwork and the great team attitude seem to create a respect amongst the 𝗏 Lost Boys for each other and amongst the guests for the Lost Boys. And when guests jump in and help swarm around some project that the Lost Boys are performing, the smiles on everyone's faces tell the real story. The 𝗏 Lost Boys honor their roots. Most of the Lost Boys are from the villages in these remote islands. Before joining the 𝗏, many were fishermen, carpenters, and boat builders. In fact, many worked in trades that were passed down from their elders for generations. Since the 𝗏 experience only runs part of the year, many of the Lost Boys return to their village and practice their trade in the off-season. If you ask them what they were doing before the Tao, many will explain with great pride what trade they learned from their father or grandfather. The Tao Lost Boys honor their roots. The founders of the Tao have created a win-win culture for the Lost Boys. A few of the Tao Lost Boys told me of international travels the Tao founders took them on during the off-season. They explained that the Tao founders want the Lost Boys to understand what it's like to be a tourist in a foreign country, so they have empathy for the Tao guests. The Tao founders also bring the Lost Boys to foreign countries to learn about how to cook other foods around Southeast Asia that are featured in the dishes taught in the Tao chef school. This travel has also created a culture of curiosity and acceptance of the people from around the world that come to the Tao expeditions. There were no Tao expeditions during the pandemic. The Tao has just recently been starting up again. They had 13 boats running before the pandemic, and now they have only 4 boats running expedition. Thus, the Lost Boys are excited about the possibility that many more of the Lost Boys will be coming back to work soon as the number of foreign visitors increases and they get all the boats running again. This is my final video about this Tao experience. To see the first 3 videos, just click the link now shown in the upper right hand corner of your screen, or click the first link in the notes below this video upon this video's conclusion. I promise to explain what I lost in the Philippines. After 5 days and 4 nights of watching how these Lost Boys live their lives, I've lost almost all of my cynicism about the future of the world. I think these Lost Boys have the tools they need to make a better world. Now I'll show you some live footage of the Tao experience. But at the end of this video, make sure to click the link that says free ebooks so you will learn how I fired my boss and have traveled the world for 15 plus years.
This is our day 4 here, so we are in this remote island, and it's private islands by the Tao experience. And you can see here behind this from the previous owner, and then because of hurricane, so they just left it here. Here, this is a shower place and it's the open shower. You have to shower here, and the water tank is from the crew to bring in here. So when you shower around here, don't shower like you are inside your house. You have to shower carefully, very fast wash your hair and your body, and then boom, that's all. You have to come out. I want to show you here. They say how to take shower in the islands. That means get wet, turn off the water, soap, shampoo, rinse. Fresh water come by the boat, so you have to be careful. In these remote islands, they have a place for you to sit down and read the book. Is this place. It's so beautiful. You know, it's have a library, and the decoration is so interesting. So nice. It's like, you know, you are in the abandoned islands, but they are built out with all the woods and the bamboo. Is that nice? And they have a hammock here, and the kitchen is that side. There's another place for you also. It's for the, like, you can do yoga over there. It's here. Yoga place. Wow. So cool, right?
We're laying here enjoying the colors of everything around us. I thought I would show you. I'll start with the flower. There's a flower right next to us here. Look at this. I don't know if you'll be able to see what we see, but it's so vibrant. And then you have these green, it's just so green. And the blue sky. And then you have the white sand beach. And behind it you have this turquoise water. I don't know if you can see it, but it's awesome. The colors are so exaggerated here. Such an exaggeration. It's like a fantasy or something. Look at that. all so exaggerated. And then you're staying in these huts with palm trees. I feel like you're on a movie set or something. It's crazy colors.
Good memory, huh? Nice one. Yeah. Cross. Okay, good. And then, if this one is like position like that,
Yeah?
or say like that, or you, for make it easy, you do like that.
Oh.
Because turning that one like this.
So also it's on the top. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good.
On the top. On the
Yeah.
top.
This one.
So I learned to make my bracelets.
Yeah,
It's nice.
it's like professional bracelet maker now.
I like because it have a shell on this. So I like it. It's make it more special.
Yeah, it's the ocean.
Yeah. Very nice. Yeah. Beautiful water.
Yeah. Woo! Perfect temperature.
Yes. The sunlight is here. It's beautiful here.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Good life.
It's a very nice lab, huh?
It's nice.
Beautiful.
It's nice. The water temperature is warm. It's not really warm, but you know, after you get out from the ocean, you will not feel cold.
It's refreshing.
It's refreshing.
Day 4.
Day 4.
The sun's almost going down. Another hour maybe it'll set.
Yeah.
Such a beautiful place, huh?
Such a beautiful place. Yeah. How you feel? You enjoying this?
Yeah, it's very nice. It's all about nature here. It's not about luxury. It's about seeing beautiful places and beautiful fish and eating wonderful food. But you're in these huts on the beach. It's not like you know, it's not a luxury thing. It's more about experiencing the nature of the Philippines, which is lovely.
Say hi.
Okay, this one here. And then I can take this one too. It's nice.
It's a movie star. You're a movie star.
Are you the movie star?
Movie star.
It's one mistake, all is mistake.
Oh, wow.
So this is sometimes the problem.
That means that you cannot have one mistake. One
Yeah,
mistake, you have to remove everything.
That's why before they let you become a surgeon in the Philippines, you have to prove you know how to do that. Yeah.
No. This is our day 5.
Day 5.
And we have a very great breakfast. It's a coconut
Yeah.
with oat milk inside and mango, watermelons, sweet banana and honey.
It was really delicious.
Yeah, it was really, really delicious.
Our bowl was the coconut, so we ate it out of the coconut, and then we ate the fat at the bottom, the coconut fat when it was over. Really nice.
And now we're walking back to our campsite and film, you know, to pack, and we are leaving soon. Today is day 5.
Yeah.
And we are leaving soon, so yeah, just enjoying that.
There's only 5 days, so what you're hearing is her wishing it was not over. It's been really nice. The food, unbelievable. The company, it's such a great company. The employees are so nice. It's probably been one of the best experiences of my life, really.
ilaw. Nabilang mo yung plato?
The last of the nut.
Dalawang sobra.
I will eat a lot.
There you go. Hey. Hey, if you liked our video, please like, comment, or subscribe. Any of that would help our business. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much.
Click the link in the notes below this video to get a copy of this content. Plus, grab a free copy of my ebook, How I Fired My Boss and Traveled the World for 13 Years. While you're there, check out our catalog of retired cheap reports all over the world and our hobby income course that we just released. Thanks so much.